Yes, welcome back to our channel, Speed and Sound Motors Garage. My name is Katumba Patrick, and today this is going to be a short video. Please subscribe to the channel. We have Suzuki Skywave AN250, and the client, the owner, was moving the bike, but sometimes he gets sudden stops and then he gets a fuel injection light. So now we have connected our machine, and we are going to see. Uh, we are going to diagnose and see what could be the problem. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel. Let us continue with the work, and then we see in shortcuts and what to do. So now we have connected our machine. It's a Jet Diagram 100 Pro, and we are going to read the fault code. Let us turn off the bike. As you can see here, the fuel injection light is blinking, and we're seeing EFI here, which means we have a malfunction with the fuel injection. And now I have connected the JDAG. It has used the universal connector here, the universal connector. So I've used the K line wire. This is for the ground, the red is for the positive, the black is the negative. This is the signal line, the K line, this pink one, the purple one. So let us enter into the diagnostic mode for the bike. Let's look for Suzuki. Just automatic test, fuel injection unit. So now let us read the fault code. You can see the current fault code. As you can see, it is the cylinder injector circuit. Now, after seeing the cylinder injector circuit, as you can see there, it means that I have a problem with this control circuit of this fuel injector here. Now the fuel injector has a direct power supply from the battery from the fuse box, which should be this yellow with the red stripe, as you can see it, and this trigger wire from the ECU, this gray with the white stripe. So this yellow should be having a 12 volt positive line. So I've connected my wiring tester here on the battery negative. So I'm going to test for the positive line. As I put on the positive, you can see I'm having light. Now, as I put here, as I check here, I don't have any voltage here on the positive. That's why the computer was complaining the fuel injector circuit. So when we turn on the bike, we are hearing the fuel pump priming, and it should be, what we're going to do is we are going to check for the power that goes to the fuel pump. If it is there, so let us check for the power here. If you see, because this is the same line that goes to Katapan. So this is the same line. Take a switch. Yeah, as you can see, this line is having power. So now this is the same code that is with the fuel injector here. So now what you are going to do, you are going to first connect a 12 volt power supply to the fuel injector. Then we see how it does. So now I'm going to connect this line. I'm going to supply it with the direct power supply from the battery, and then we test again and see. And then if it works, then we are going to Going to connect. We are going to open up the bike. We check the wiring harness, and we trace well where all goes, where the power is cut, and we trace the line where we don't get the power from. So let me connect it here direct to the battery. See if the problem goes away or will still remain. So stay tuned in and subscribe to our channel. So let me connect here. So now, pass through the fault code and see. They are saying we have a problem with the fuel pump circuit, but so let us first try and run the bike and we see how it does. Let's run the bike and see. Jump starting. So now we have connected our jumpers, as you can see them. Now we have made sure that we supply this fuel injector with supply the fuel injector with the 12-volt line, the bypass line. So now what we are going to do, we are going to test the bike and we see how it works. Let us see. Let us test again. Now as you can see, we don't have the fault code anymore. So this has been a short video. We have done a bypass on the line. So now what we're going to do, we are going to open up the bike and we look for a trace, we back trace, and we see where we have got a wire cut, where the line is there, and we see the problem. Why is the power not reaching the fuel injector? We have done a bypass, so we are going to open up the bike. We see where the wire is cut, what stops the current not to reach the fuel injector. So now, subscribe to the channel. This has been a short video. We are going to make a full video soon. So subscribe to the channel. Make sure not to miss any repair video from our channel. I see you soon.